take. I would like to take swimming lessons this summer. Take. Number 2, bake. I like to bake cookies with my aunt. Bake. Number 3, came. My friend came to my house this weekend. Came. Number 4, same. No way, I have the same jacket. Same. Number 5, grade. We are in first grade this year. Number 6, trade. When I was little, I used to trade candy with my brother and my sister on Halloween. Trade. Number 7, wide. That is a very wide doorway. Wide. Number 8, fine. What fine manners you have. Fine. Number 9, white. I saw a white rabbit hopping through the forest. White. Number 10, slide. Sometimes for jam, we do the cha-cha slide. Slide. Number 11, prize. If you are the winner, you get a prize. And number 12, drive. When you are 16 years old, you can learn how to drive. Drive. Okay, everybody check their work. Make sure that you feel good about all of your answers. Number 1, take. 2, bake. 3, came. 4, same. 5, grade. 6, trade. 7, wide. 8, fine. 9, white. 10, slide. 11, prize. 12, drive.